Hey yo, what's up, man?
Hey, yo, let me clap you. I'm on 65%, it says.
My battery headset is at 99%.
Dang, really?
Mine's at 99. Dude? What happened? Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, you're okay. I watched your screen and you're okay. I watched your screen and you're okay. Wait, what would happen if you... Huh? What? What?
Where should we go? Aurora.
Yeah, that's my favorite one. Remember the Damon Curly one? Like he looked like a steamy toilet? That was funny.
Come on.
And I already recorded the whole video. Oh man, I fell down. Oh no.
Go.
What was the code? Hot. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3,
4, 7.
4, 7.
Yay!
Okay, this is the scariest one I ever done. Okay. What?
That's scary.
Where? Oh, right there!
Bro, follow me! Go to the green crystal!
You juked it!
Bro, come here!
Oh no! Ah!
You jumped the crystal! Come on the crystal!
Ah! I'm coming! I died, bro! Stop choking me back!
Just stay here! Come here!
Yo!
It's not coming.
Go!
Behind you. Do not.
Nah. Wait, what the? I'm stuck in place. Did you see that? I was stuck in place.
Patty cake. That's patty cake.
Patty cake. Get it, that.
By the way, you look so adorable. You look so cute.
And also, what do you think of my new hat? What do you think of my Santa hat? I juked J-Man!
Come here! Come up the stairs!
Okay! I was juking J-Man. Where? Where are you?
Oh, what J-Man Curly's coming? Come here! Up the stairs!
Where?
Here! Oh shit.
Go. No!
Oh shit, it's coming.
Go. No, we're playing, Puppy Chaos. Ah! No! My camera lagged. What's going on with my Go!
Can you come down here? What's this place?
I'm freaked out.
Wait, last room of them all.
Yo.
Man, you bad boy. Come on, follow me. Follow me.
I'm following J-Man and you.
Go around him. Go around him.
Oh no!
Follow me. Follow me.
Right way!
No, this way.
Huh?
This way.
What?
This way. Shall we go this way?
But J-Man's that way, I think.
Well, if it does, you follow me. Okay, bye.
No. Oh no!
Oh, could you? Oh, shit. Follow me. Come on.
You just said you would be right back! Are you beatboxing? Oh man!
You follow me.
I died! Where? What the?
I'm alive.
Where?
Ooh.
What?
Ew, he looks disgusting.
Disgusting? What? What?
That's exciting. Yeah.
I.
J-Man.
Oh, you died. He might be coming. Hope he didn't become behind me again.
Look at
because
me.
that was-
Look at me. I'll tell you when he's coming.
What do you mean?
No, look at me. I like your hat, Rick.
It was behind you.
No.
Where? It's that J-Man. J-Man. Yo.
Hey, oh, I'm sorry. He is so fast.
Go. No.
You think?
Ah.
Wait.
What?
Oh shit, he's that. Oh shit, he's that.
What?
But he's not gonna come. He's a lazy ass goofy ass pit.
No, he's not.
He's so lazy. Even his mom said he's.
What do you mean?
I'm going on.
J-Man.
J-Man Curly.
J-Man.
You are so funny.
Dude, I died while juking J-Man.
Look at me, not that, me. Look at me.
I'm all ready. Yo. Yo, no, no. It's a me, Mario.
Done it. Ah. No.
It's going for you.
Why would you leave me? Why would you leave me? Ooh. Bro, no way he's coming. Ooh. He's not coming. He's not coming. Trust me. Shut the fuck up
No!
Woo!
Say, ma'am.
Come in here! Come in here! I think we're safe, right? Are we safe?
I don't think
Alright,
so.
listen to me. Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Come here! Come here!
I'm scared.
Come here!
What?
Stay here! Look at me! I'm leaving you!
Wait. Wait, but I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
What?
Dude, he didn't kill me, but I'm still alive. He didn't kill me. I'm still alive. I swear. I'm coming back, okay? Okay. Wait, I'm glitching. Wait, I glitched through the ground on Oh, wait, I'm getting What? Guys, am I stuck in the ground forever?
You're stuck in the washing machine.
I died by J-Man and now I'm stuck in the ground. What is going on?
He hates you. Bro, look
Someone
down.
help
Look
me.
down. Bro, look upside down. Look upside down. Look
I'm
upside
gonna try getting on the shelves.
down. Yeah. I'm sneaking.
Dude, nothing works. I'm gonna restart the game. I'm gonna restart the game, dude. I'm restarting the game. Okay, I'm coming back. I restarted the game because I died by J-Man and now I was stuck in the ground. I'm coming back. J-Man poopy.
What?
J-Man.
Bro, come on, dude.
Dude, I'm coming, dude. Chillax. Okay, that dog is coming. Okay.
Lay down.
Go!
Dude, where are you?
Come on, I'm coming. 3, 4, 7, 8. Enter. Okay, come on, dude. I swear I'm coming. Oh no! I'm coming, dude. Chill. I juke that ball, and now I'm coming back to where you at. You chillax. Are you back? Are you back from where you're at? Die by J-Man. Oh, yes, I swear.
Are you ready for my speed? Pretend that your mom
J-Man.
has a belt. Bro, pretend that your mom is chasing us and she has a belt.
It's just J-Man. J-Man.
You stink, bitch.
I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. J-Man. J-Man. More like J-Man.
Only in 3, 2, 1. I'm leaving you.
He's not coming.
Oh shit, look. No way he can. He's not coming back. He's a pussiness.
You up? Go in here. Hamoud. What?
He died.
He's like da 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 da. Wait. Since we're dogs and Lisa Lake, since it looks like a lab, can we go to Lisa Lake Redux? The game where you get that free plushie and stuff? You know that?
Back here. Please come here.
Okay, let's go to episode